We're the Sticker Squad girls. Today we are going to unbox stuff from Paper House.
From their new Playhouse collection.
Ooh, a diary so I can put my secrets in it.
So 2 diaries and
Looks cool. Oh, puppy stickers.
a little butterfly puppy
Unicorns.
sticker.
Animals, I love animals.
Cats.
Sorry.
And then some more butterfly ones.
Rainbows. Ooh,
Some
animals.
puppy animal ones.
We should open it with film. Let's see. They're so puffy. Oh, look at these little planets. They're so tiny and cute.
Cute. And then we have
Sugar. My
Treat.
best friend.
So we have those ones and then
Narwhal.
cute. And then
More narwhals and
Yep.
unicorns.
little pandas.
Oh.
Those are cute.
Oh, they have. Look at these. They're like llamas.
And cactuses.
Okay.
So really cute. And then
This is really. Okay. Oh, it's Scratch and Sniff. I need a sniff. It's Arsenal.
we're gonna have to hold paper. Oh yeah, that smells. Smell this one. Doesn't it smell good?
I'm curious what whipped cream unicorns smell like. Well, we better see.
Oh, it does. It
Oh.
smells like cherry whipped cream.
Yeah, it
A little
smells
bit.
really good. I already have that one, I think. Yeah.
And then yeah.
Little monsters. They're Scratch and Sniff. I wonder. They smell. Apparently, they're supposed to smell like grape.
They can smell like that.
And it smells like
It
grape
does.
candy. Like.
Yeah, smell it. That
Oh.
smells really good.
And it's empty.
Thank you,
Playhouse.